Hi everyone, welcome back to C programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing a C program which checks whether an entered number is a vowel or consonant using else if ladder statement. In our previous video, we have addressed the same problem using the switch keyword, and in this video, we will write the program using the else if ladder. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys have got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So here you can see I have already written down the output, and when this program gets executed, it asks user to enter a character and user will be entering any letter. Let us suppose user has entered A. So based on the entered character, your program will check whether this entered character is a vowel or a consonant. Okay, so this is first letter belongs to vowel, that's why it's showing is a vowel. And in the second case, since I have entered B, which is not a part of vowels, that's why it's showing it's not a vowel. So for this program, you require one variable of type character. That's why I have mentioned here character ch. Okay, so as I have told you that I will be using else if ladder statement to write this program. So how else if ladder works is, suppose if user enters any uppercase letter A, since A belongs to vowel, so I will check it out using if ch is equals to capital A, or user may enter smaller case letter also, or ch is equals to small a. Okay, so if user enters uppercase A or a lowercase a, in both of these cases I will be displaying a message, it's a vowel. Else if I will check with other vowel, if ch is equals to capital E or ch is equals to small letter e, then again I will display it's a vowel. Okay, and at the end, at the else part, I will display it's a consonant. Okay, so the same code I will be using in the C program. So as you can see here, I have already written down some of the code, and I just need to include this piece of code in this program. Okay, so here I have already asked user to enter the character, and I have stored that character inside this ch variable. So I will use if ch is equals to capital letter A or ch is equals to smaller letter a, then print f, it's a vowel. Then else if ch is equals to capital letter E or ch is equals to smaller letter e, then again I will printf, it's a vowel. Capital U or ch is equals to smaller case u, I will print it's a vowel. Else suppose if user didn't enter any of these letters, either uppercase or lowercase, then I will display printf, it's a consonant. Then I will close the main, sorry, I will first write return 0 and then I will close the main. Okay, so this is how you can write the program which checks whether an entered character is a vowel or a consonant using else if ladder. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, or if you guys have got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.